In especially traumatized clients, but in most everybody, there are what we call protectors, parts that are protecting the client. And they're usually protecting other parts that are very vulnerable, that are easily hurt, and are stuck in these horrible scenes in the past. So that anything similar happens in the present triggers all this huge waves of emotion that are terrifying to trauma survivors. So I learned the hard way over time that it's safe to get to know protectors, but without, unless you have a lot of permission from the protectors, it's not safe to go to exiles first. And she was pretty clear, and it sounded like it fits the profile, that this chaos part was a protective part. So it's generally safe to get to know it. And the way we started, as you saw, was I would have her focus on it, find it in her body. Just the act of doing that sets a stage where there's the part and then there's her who's focusing on it.
Yeah.
So in a sense, you're getting the client immediately to separate from it and be in a more mindful place. That's what mindfulness is about.
Mm-hmm.
And then I asked this question, how do you feel toward this part? Which becomes a kind of self-detector or parts detector. So in answering that question, she's telling me how much of what I call herself is present with it versus some part that hates it or wants to get rid of it or is so frustrated with it.